Hello everyone, today I will introduce you to Spire.Doc and how to integrate it. In this video, I will mainly focus on 6 aspects: product overview, supported operating systems, supported file formats, key features, integration methods, and a demonstration of how to quickly create a simple Word document using Spire.Document. Firstly, what is Spire.Doc? It is a professional Word library that doesn't rely on Microsoft Office. With it, users are able to efficiently create, edit, convert, compare, and print Word documents on any platform. Currently, the product supports operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android and iOS. Spire.Doc supports multiple file formats. For example, you can read and write doc, docs, dot and other file formats using it. Besides, it also supports writing Word files directly into files in PDF, XPS and other formats. Furthermore, Spire.Doc provides a wide range of features, such as document conversion, text search and replace, watermarking, mail merging, document merging or splitting, document comparison, and more. Now, let me show you how to integrate Spire.Document. Here, I will take Java as an example. There are 2 ways to integrate Spire.Doc with Java. The first one is by importing external JR package. The second one is by installing via the Maven repository. Here, I will provide a detailed explanation of the first method. Firstly, open your web browser. Enter the website address of E-iceblue in the address bar. After entering the website, click on Products-Spire.Doc for Java, and download it. By the way, if you are using Maven to install it, you can directly copy the following content into your pom.xml file. Now, I will demonstrate the process of downloading the JR file. Click on the download button and save the file to the local. I have already downloaded the file and extracted it to my desktop. Next, I will create a project in IntelliJ IDEA and import the JR file to it. Now, we can use the Spire.Doc library to handle some Word documents. For example, let's create a simple Word document. First, create a test class. Then, instantiate a document object. Add a section to this document object. Add a paragraph to this section. Add text to this paragraph. We can also set the color for this text. Next, we can save this document to the disk. Now, we can run this program. After execution, the created document will be located in the project. Click on the document to view it. Well, that's all for this video. If you have any questions about our product, please feel free to contact us with the following information. Thanks for watching.